Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Polar Grit X2 Pro smartwatch and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your watch is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or connecting with your devices or pairing with your devices, or if it keeps disconnecting, it seems to be frozen and not responding, all of these things can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you are going to need to set it up again because it will be restored to the way it was when it came out of the box. And that's the second reason you might want to do it. If you're trying to get a fresh start on this watch, maybe you're selling it or buying a used one or whatever, we can just go ahead and do this in one of two ways. First of all, we can do it straight from the FlowSync app, and we can press the factory reset button within the app, but we can also do it straight on the watch. So on the watch, if we just press the back button, and then from the back button we'll go to settings, and then go to about your watch, and then if you scroll all the way down, you can go to reset data. It will then ask you to confirm it. Once you confirm it, it's going to wipe everything off the watch, and then you can go ahead and turn it on and just set it up as though it were a brand new watch.